here at Ocqueoc Falls over near Rogers City off of 68, I believe.
Halfway between Rogers City and Onaway.
Yep. So it's the only waterfall in the lower peninsula, and it's a very cold, brisk day, but we're here and we're going to take a walk down and check it out.
This is Ocqueoc Falls. It's a great swimming hole. Today would be a little chilly.
Really chilly.
But you get the place all to yourself. Beautiful area.
Yep, we remember bringing our kids here when there was none of the, they put in like pathways and things like that. We remember bringing the kids here when there was none of that. And you can jump off the waterfalls right into the, like it's like a pool almost.
There's a rustic campground behind us across the road. It's locked today, but I think it's like 9 sites. Rustic campground. It sits right on the river here, Akyak River, and it runs up to Lake Huron.
Yep, one of our favorite places to go in the lower peninsula. So
pretty cool spot. Nice little hiking trails around here.
Enjoy the pictures. So we're out on our adventure here at Ocqueoc Falls, and we did a little thing this week, and we want you to take a quick look at this clip, and then we'll be back in a minute. Hey guys, it's been a rigorous day of work on my behalf, trying to pull together getting Josh a truck. So he's been without for a long time. He's been driving around the Merc, which is not my favorite car, but it does the job. But we have found that with all the ranch activities and things going on, we really needed another truck. I have an F-150, which works great. I love it and I drive it a lot, but he really needs a truck. So he found one that he really likes, and we've been back and forth on buy used, buy new, because the used trucks are so expensive in comparison to the amount of miles. I mean, you're finding used trucks for $35,000 with 100 and some thousand miles. So anyways, so we found one and I'm going to pick it up. Okay guys, I'm at the dealer and it is crazy awesome. So I am going to switch my camera around so you can see what I mean. And there she is. And I'm going to take it for a quick spin. But yeah, it is awesome. So awesome. So I'm just going to take a quick walk. It's Super Duty. I think it's going to do the job. And I should never have to hear about a truck purchase again. Hopefully. Anyways, it's got the 7.3 engine. It's a 2020. It's a F-350. I think it'll pull everything that we need it to pull. You see it behind us.
So we had to add one to the fleet. Everybody has probably seen the blue F-150, the 16 F-150.
Her name's Michigan.
Her name's Michigan. And no, we did not get rid of the Merc. The Merc is
the Merc.
a big staple part of YouTube videos, the
Yeah,
car of
we
the
gotta keep
year.
the Merc.
So anyways, I have been hunting for a couple months for some trucks. So I looked at a lot of used ones, and no matter which way you slice it, my opinion is the market's not real great. I mean, the prices for new ones are crazy, the prices for used ones are crazy. So I decided to, Autumn basically decided for me, and she really twisted my arm, and she went when I was working, and she did her own Black Friday deal and went and picked this up.
It was Black Friday, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was Black Friday.
Yeah, there you go.
So
Black Friday.
anyways, we got
so behind us, meet Montana.
It's Montana, the big F-350 with the what they call the Godzilla 7.3 liter gasoline engine. So it's rated for just shy of 4,000 pounds on the payload, with partly the idea, I mean, we do haul a tractor sometimes, haul some wood, things like that. Ranger. We probably won't drive this nearly as much, but we decided to take a little mini trip today to kind of break it in a little bit. But at some point in time, we would love to get into the truck camper scene again when time's right. If we're able to do that, that's what we'd love to do again. So anyways, we'll take a quick little walk around.
Okay. I love it.
So anyways, it's like a metallic gray. Magnetic gray.
Yeah.
F-350, the Lariat. They're all expensive, but considering what the prices were for the new ones, they did give us a pretty good deal for what we have seen out there. And the forums told us that, yes, pretty good. So we decided to go ahead and pull the trigger.
This was a special
I'm almost 45, so the idea is to drive this to at least 60. So hopefully we get 15, 20 years or better out of these things, but who knows? It is what it is.
This was a special order.
So this was a special order, and somebody canceled out on it. So
Isn't she beautiful? Yes. And there's room for the kids too. Alright, so anything you want to tell us about it?
And here in Michigan, we have like the aluminum bodies because they don't rust. Now granted, underneath, I've been thinking of some fluid film or getting a rust proofing done, something like that. The blue 2016 F-150, we've had 0 issues, and we are at 131,000 miles.
In 4 years.
In 4 years, and of course we've got the 2004 Mercury Grand Marquis with like almost 185,000 miles, which was purchased. How long have we had that?
Not very long.
No, we've had it a while.
Years?
About 5 years.
Yeah.
For the remarkable price of $2,500, which I'd buy another one of those to replace it.
$2,500.
And
that is a steal.
So that car has ran about $500 per year as far as the purchase price.
Okay.
So anyways, we supported Michigan because businesses are locked down, and Michigan got about $3,500 in taxes off this. So.
That's true. That's true. So anything special about this rig besides 7.3?
No, it's just got the leather.
It's a Lariat.
It's a Lariat. The back seats fold flat.
We've been traveling, so there might be a little bit of stuff in there. Hey, so does this thing remote start?
Yep. And we can start off your phone.
Nice. So it's got like a...
It's like a gun box.
Yeah, it's like a gun box.
That'll fold flat. The floor is completely flat.
Cool.
Natalie's pulling out the tailgate. Natalie.
Oh, Natalie.
I think for the ones that have
what do you guys think of this new rig? What do you guys think of this new rig?
Pretty cool.
Nice, yeah. So it's got a cool step.
Yeah. So, anyways.
Nice.
So that's pretty cool.
And then you can get up there.
And then it also has the 4 tie-down clips on the inside, which you can lock or unlock.
Yeah, I see that.
Which are right here.
Nice, nice. Cool. See, we got a little snow. Hi, Hannah. So this is our, this is Montana. right?
Yeah.
And our Michigan's at home.
What do you name your vehicles at home?
Or do you?
And the one at home, the Grand Marquis, we just call it the Merc.
Yeah, it's just the Merc.
So,
no name needed. Go ahead.
So this is the big number that we like, almost 4,000 pounds of payload rated. So good for a truck camper that we may get down the road.
Yep, and it's got the nice leather, and obviously these really great weather tech, which we've been out traveling today, so there's some dirt, and that's where the dirt should go.
And the console is so
middle.
deep, it's like you're going to China.
Yeah, it's very deep. So yeah. Okay.
So we just now put a little bit of gas in a little while ago. We will see what we're getting for gas mileage, and I don't think we've hit 13 miles a gallon yet, but Autumn picked it up with 3 miles on it, and I think right now we're at like maybe 240 or something like that. So not even broke in. My guesses will be in that 12-15 mile a gallon range. We'll see.
So we're excited for future adventures, obviously with this rig, but a lot of it is due to all the work that Josh does out the ranch. And just being able to haul things, being able to move lumber. I drive the truck primarily, so I don't know how many days he's called and been like, I wish I had the truck today because I really need it. And so, you know, it was a toss-up, go used, go new. Based on what we're seeing, it's really hard to justify spending $40,000 or $35,000 on a used truck that has already 150,000 miles.
It's tough to eat no matter which way you slice it.
Yeah, exactly. So we just figured, you know what? We did our budget. We did what we had to do to see if we could make it happen. And it all worked out good, so we're just going to go with it. And in the long run, it's a good thing because I can feel better when he's driving to work in the winter that he has a safe
I'll still drive the Merc.
drive.
I'll still drive the Merc in the when the weather is doable, but there's some days that the weather is really bad, and then I just need 4-wheel drive.
I think Hannah thinks she's leaving.
So,
she just got in the driver's seat. Hey, one side note about that. We've raised our kids, and it was really important to me that they knew how to drive a truck. And it has actually benefited our girls quite a bit because they can maneuver in the city and wherever they go because they learned how to drive a truck. So.
And also, they know also not to pull out in front of semis, also to look twice for motorcycles, all the different things that are out there, trying to be aware of their surroundings and not just take stuff for granted that trucks can't just stop on a dime when they're hauling all these things, or look for the little things like motorcycles or stuff like that. So
we hope you liked our video today. Thanks for watching.
Ocqueoc Falls,
Ocqueoc
29
Falls.
degrees. Get out and do a hike. Create
a 2020 F-350.
Yeah.
So thanks for watching.